It is no secret that confidence is one of life's biggest game changers, right? The difficult part, though, is understanding how to get it. Let's put together a few different outfits and talk about how you can use fashion and style to increase your confidence. First and foremost, it's important to remember that spending time on your style is an act of self-care. I put it on a very similar level as going to the gym or meditating, and I know that might sound crazy, but I'm living proof that with time and effort, it can absolutely work. No matter how you slice it, by being intentional with your style, you are showing up for yourself every day. Over time, all of that attention is going to lead to a positive output. Get dressed every day to make yourself feel good because it's for you, not through societal pressure or because you're really trying to fit in. The next important thing to remember is to accept yourself. With social media and all the different things being thrown in our faces, it can be so easy and tempting to compare, but you've got to remember that you are you, and that's great. Being able to be honest with yourself that some outfits are going to make you feel fantastic, but other outfits just simply aren't for you, even though they might look so good on another person. That's learning more about yourself. That is personal growth. That's maturity. All of these things are going to lead to confidence. The third thing you can do is if you need help, get help. Today's video is brought to you by BetterHelp. I've been going to therapy for years, and it is wild how much it's helped me. Whether it's learning more about myself, why I do the things that I do, helping me be a better partner to my wife or a better dad to my son, I genuinely love therapy. I've personally used BetterHelp. It's great because you can get a therapist who specializes in exactly what you need. You fill out a questionnaire, you get matched with someone in as little as a couple of days. And if they don't feel like the right fit for you, you can switch whenever you want. I've used that feature multiple times when I felt like it was just time for a new perspective. If you feel like you could benefit from therapy, you can go click the link in the video description or go to betterhelp.com/ParkerYorkSmith and get 10% off your first month of therapy. Fourth way you can boost your confidence through style is to ritualize getting dressed. Too often, in my opinion, we push getting dressed to the bottom of our to-do list every morning, and then we just throw on the same old thing that doesn't serve us. It is so easy to take 5 minutes and actually consider what mood you're in and what would make you feel good to wear. These might not make most people feel good, but I love them. Even once you're fully dressed, take 30 seconds and there's something I want you to try. You're gonna look in the mirror, you're gonna take yourself in, you're gonna give yourself a compliment. Wow, you look great today. It's silly, it's gonna feel weird at first, but over time, it's gonna get you in your head, it's gonna make you feel more positive about yourself, it's gonna make a big impact. I don't have anything else to say, I just really wanted to show this whole outfit because I love it. And the last move I highly recommend is to use clothes as armor. Some days I'll wake up and my confidence is just not there. I'm not feeling it. These are the days it's important to remember clothes as armor and that certain outfits are going to make you feel more confident. If I'm feeling kind of sad, I'll usually go with something with more color just to brighten my mood. Whereas if I'm just not feeling confident, I like to dress up for no good reason, just because I know that that is automatically going to boost my confidence. I'm able to use personal experience because over time I've really paid attention to how different outfits make me feel. This way I'm able to get dressed with intention as opposed to just throwing on any old random thing, spending the whole day feeling down on myself. These 5 are just a few of the ways I've used over the years to increase my confidence, but remember, as with everything, it's gonna take time. Be patient with yourself, but I promise with continued attention and effort, you're gonna start feeling great. Then once you feel great, you'll start carrying yourself a lot more confidently. And then as you carry yourself more confidently, new doors to new opportunities will start opening themselves. It's a crazy cycle that might sound too good to be true, but I'm telling you, this is exactly what happened to me. Just remember to continue exploring, because as with life, it's about the journey, not the destination. Thanks again to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. Go check out the link in the description if you want to try therapy for yourself. See ya!